I'm going to show you how you can easily order in Shopify cash on delivery. First of all, you need to open the Shopify admin panel. Next, go to Settings and select Payments, then Manual Payments. A list of manual payment options will appear. Then, you can choose Cash on Delivery from the list. You can add a description or any specific instructions related to COD. You will see the COD payment method during the checkout process. There is another way you can get this, which is by creating the order manually from the admin panel in Shopify. Now click on Create Order. Then select the Cash on Delivery option. The order will be created with the status Payment Pending. Once the order is created and fulfilled is requested for BYRD, the order will be synced to the customer dashboard. It is also possible to filter only COD shipments in the customer dashboard. If needed, add payment instructions for customers who select this option. You can set specific shipping zones for COD if you only want to offer this payment method to certain locations. COD may be restricted to certain geographical regions, so if you don't see the COD option, it might be unavailable for your location.